Yes, hello friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to make our local banana juice using these recipes. Of course, we need a ripe banana and some banana leaves. So here the process starts. Of course, you need to get the banana out of the bunch, and you prepare also your leaves in something where you're going to mix them. The process goes on. You make sure you remove all the bananas and place them in leaves. So later on, of course, I'm not just telling you this as a story, but this can be a business, and by the way, a profitable business if you have bananas in your area. So you start squeezing the bananas with the leaves slowly by slowly until you begin seeing some juice. And this juice, by the way, is expensive, and most people love it uh, because after the juice is boiled, you put it on fire so that you can kill the bacteria and anything strange that could be in the juice, and it is ready for serving. Some people move around with it. It might be a jerrycan, or others pack it in bottles. And by the way, it is sold even in supermarkets. If you have a fridge, this juice can take more than a week after it is boiled. So we are preparing ours for local consumption here, and the process goes on. You can see now we are making it happen, and after squeezing this and the juice comes out, of course that's when we shall add in some water, then we sieve the juice. After that, the next process will be boiling it, and when we leave it to become cold, it will be ready for drinking. Of course, this has no any other additives like chemicals, like preservatives or anything, so it's good for human consumption. It's sweet enough. You don't add any other sugars and anything. It is locally made, and of course safe for human consumption. So here the process goes on very well. I'm testing to see if it has started to bring some juice, then I will add in some water. Yes, the juice has come, so we need to add some water at this stage, then do the squeezing again, and then we can start sieving our juice using a sieve, or maybe anything locally available. Remember, you can use a blender to make juice, but that would be hard juice, unlike this one. And what you use to make with the blender, you cannot boil it, but this one you can boil it and it can last even longer. So locally, this was used to be made by our grandparents, but today people have shifted to these beverages and juice that is manufactured in factories using different chemicals. But today for us, we decided to make our own juice using our bananas. Yes, so after adding in some water, of course, you can see we have got the juice now. So we shall then remove it from here, serve it, and of course it will be ready for consumption. But as of now, we are trying to see if this juice is sweet or not. As I told you, this juice has a lot of health benefits, unlike the juice that you buy in bottles. that is made out of different chemicals that you don't know that has health effects. This is a good juice. This is a juice that is recommended. So now here we are at the sieving process, and later on we shall take our juice for boiling, and we make sure it boils up to 100%. Then we leave it to become cold. Later on we shall serve it. It will be ready for consumption. As I told you, if you put it in a fridge, it can take even 2 weeks when you have kept it. So this is good. You can get your banana and make your own juice at home. Enjoy something that you are not worried of, something that you already know. That's why most people are encouraged to cook their own food at home. So even me, when I make this juice, I drink it with confidence. Well, if you are new here, can consider subscribing, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching.